Well, hey everybody, my name is Rob Satcham and I'm the owner and founder of Feedbackwrench, and we help businesses create websites that become their best sales and employee. And if you're an accountant, bookkeeper, or tax professional looking to grow your firm, well, I think you've come to the right place. Now, we help other businesses, but we really love helping this accountant group. And I just want to share with you what it is that we do that's quite a bit different than your typical marketing agency or people that help accountants and bookkeepers. First of all, I want you to know that I created a sweet $1 million firm about 7 years ago. It was called Nuance Financial Tax and Accounting, and me and my partners grew it from 0 to 150 small businesses. You can go check out my YouTube channel. I got hundreds of videos that talks about that story, and I'd love to visit with you a little bit about it. But out of that, I launched Feedbackwrench, and basically what we do is we do websites, we do paid ads, and we set up marketing systems that help people get sales. And I want to dive in just a little bit. When you choose us, here's what you're going to get. You're not going to just get coaching and guidance. You certainly get that. We're going to help you implement a system. I call it the outsourced accountant model. And in that, we're going to help you decide what your core value proposition is. We're going to help you understand how you are going to compete locally, what services you're going to offer, what the pricing structure should be with. And I have a course. Our course is $500, but anybody who works with us here and has us set up their website and their whole situation will get access to that free course. And then we're creating a mastermind group where you can answer your questions, but we're here for you. We're a small shop. So it's myself. I've got a full-time project manager, full-time web designer, Daniel, who's just fantastic. And then we have a couple of writers and a full-time video guy. And long story short, when you choose us, we're going to make sure that you get everything done for you. So not only like a lot of the typical firm kind of gurus that are out there, they provide great information about how to use, Facebook lead magnets to drive people to your video sales letter. We're going to help you do that. We're actually going to implement it. And when we implement it, it's going to look gorgeous. So in everything that we do, I'm just going to walk you through real quick what it is that we offer. And I want you to know, please book on my calendar. I'd love an opportunity to connect with you. This is a calling for us. I love helping people, whether you're just getting started or you just quit your accounting job and you're getting moving forward, or if you're looking to build that $1 million firm. We help them all. We help scores of accounting, bookkeeping, tax, CPA firms, and I'm really looking forward to connecting with you. So let me show you real quick what we actually do here. So first off, you'll see when you come to my website up here, there's a websites for accountants. Check that out. You'll be able to watch. There's a lot of little videos in here about how we generate leads. You'll see this is the video that you just clicked on. You'll see each one of these. You'll learn about our writing and our messaging, our custom web design process, our lead generation Facebook ads, and our search engine optimization. In fact, that's what I would just want to start off real quick, is that when you work with us, we're going to help you do the writing and the messaging for your website. We're not going to stick you with a whole bunch of homework. When you work with somebody else, they're going to provide a course for you, and that course is going to tell you, now go out and learn ClickFunnels or learn Squarespace or learn WordPress. No, we're going to set you up right. Not only that, but I ran over 500 meetings with people who were trying to work with our firm. I closed over 180 small businesses for our accounting firm. I know how customers think, and I'm actually the one that does all the writing right now. So when you work with us, any website or web page that we make, we do all the writing and the messaging, and we have a process that we use to make sure that that comes through in a fantastic way. We also build you a custom website, a fully custom website built on a system called Webflow. Dive into that video. You can hear a little bit about what that's about. Then we're going to set up lead generating ads, and these lead generating ads are going to be twofold. One, we're going to help you run Facebook lead ads to your niche that will go to a video landing page after they download a guide or some sort of lead magnet. We're going to do all that for you. We're going to make it look fantastic. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. But otherwise, if you come here and play this video, you'll learn a little bit about that. All of our websites have search engine optimization built into them, but we do really sophisticated SEO. In fact, if you're an ongoing client with us, we will actually collaborate with our other clients to build up backlinks to help you rank above your competitors, but I'll also coach you on how to get more reviews, how to do a system that's going to help you dominate that local world or any niches. So when you work with us, boy, the biggest difference is that you're not going to have any homework assigned to you. Come through and read about this. Then the other thing that you'll see is if you come up, there's two different pages here. There's a how it works page, and I'd love to walk you through this real quick. And I'm going to move fast. Again, we're going to cover what we go over. We handle everything for you. But what it comes down to it, there are two ways that you will drive leads for your business: through search engines and through social media. When people search for you and they look accountants near me, bookkeepers near me, CPAs near me, we're going to help you capture that using paid search ads. And then we're going to help you dominate with SEO so that you rank in that higher over time. And then social media marketing. There's all sorts of cool things that we'll do there. Now, when you work with us, we have a simple process, and I'm going to move really quick here. I drink a lot of coffee. And again, just book on my calendar. If you fill out the contact us page, it'll go directly to my Calendly link. And we know how to do this. We have setups between $1,500 and $7,500. Usually a get started package is about $6,500 to $4,500. We'll set up the website, do all the writing for you, create the lead magnets for you, create the search ads for you, do the SEO for you, help you with your value proposition, your messaging, your approach, your core niches. We will help you understand this whole thing. And it gets me excited because I just love helping entrepreneurs. So here's the process. Step one, we start with creating amazing messaging and writing. And when you work with us, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go through and develop your core customer profile. And we work collaboratively through this. Now, I have a lot of opinions. I can usually just go after asking you a couple questions, but we collaborate through this. We're going to help you convey your company mission, purpose, and values. We're going to identify your company's core differentiators. We'll lead you through the 9 sections of a great website. I have a whole system on how to write well and what we should put on your webpage so that people actually want to convert with you. We're going to create compelling conversion actions or calls to action. And then we're going to optimize for clarity, focus, and simplicity. When you work with us, I'm telling you, we are going to help you connect with that core business owner and get more retainer clients. And that's really what it's about. Running, in my opinion, it's not always this way, but this outsourced accountant model where throughout the year, you be their guide, you help them do their bookkeeping, their accounting, you pay in their taxes for them. At the end of the year, boy, you've helped them mitigate taxes, and that tax return is a breeze. Now, some of you just want to do taxes, and some of you just want to do bookkeeping, and some of you are like CFOs. We help you all, but let me jump right into the next part. So after we do the writing and the site mapping and everything, we'll actually design the website. Now, when you choose us, what you're going to see is you get a distinct custom website. We work on making strong and compelling branding. So when people get to your website, they see that it's you, that there's an excellent user interface and customer focus. Most websites will just talk about themselves and their services. We want to connect with the customer. They're the hero in the story, not you. Everything we do is a fully custom design. You'll see superior security, speed, and support. And I mean this. Our sites are faster, they rank higher, and they have fun little parts of them that I won't even get into, but like even your forms, when you fill out forms, they are stored in a secure system on the website. They don't just disappear. Your email deliverability is really high. You get an SSL that just always works. There's systems in here that are just fantastic. It's crafted to earn trust by showing your reviews and the work you've done. We have review widgets that make trusting you really easy. We're going to help earn trust by showing videos, lead magnets, and articles similar to what you're watching right now. And then we build really sophisticated paid advertising campaigns, and we build the website to be optimized for that. So that's the second thing. Again, we start with writing and messaging. We move to the web design and development. And then what we do is we hook up the marketing machine. Now, this part we take great pride in. I'm not going to walk through each one of them. You can come through and read everything, but we will set you up so that you have everything optimized for SEO, for conversions in Google Ads, for Google Analytics. We're going to set up Google Tag Manager. We're going to do that for Microsoft Bing, and we're going to do it for Facebook and LinkedIn. And all I'll tell you is that you're going to get set up with the technical side that makes your life easy. You understand how to tap into the best advertising systems out there. We're going to do machine learning based ads because the conversions are set up optimally. And then we're going to give you reports that help you understand what's actually working. And I call that setting up the marketing machine. And that's a big differentiator. The other folks, they are not doing that, and they cannot do it. They don't know how to do it. And even if they do, we do it better. After that, once we get that up, we're actually going to create the ads for you. We're going to create ads that actually generate sales. And again, there's kind of 2 main families of ads that we'll do, but let me walk you through the 4 types that we do. The search ad is the core foundation. When people search accountants near me, bookkeepers near me, tax professionals near me, CPA near me, or it could be accountants for financial reps, or accountants for car dealership, accountant for niche ABC. We're going to help you show up locally, and we're going to help you win in niche ads. Tied to that, what I'll say is that we use a thing called retargeting. And basically what retargeting will be is once someone's hit your website, we make an audience on Facebook, an audience on Google, and an audience on LinkedIn of just those people. And then we will keep your messaging in front of them so that even if they went to your website and didn't do anything through a paid search ad, or maybe a just local SEO, or they found a blog that you wrote, or maybe they hit your website from a Facebook post, we're going to make sure that we continue to keep messaging in front of them for a very low cost and a high ROI, and that's called remarketing. Now we can do that with Facebook simple ads, YouTube bumper ads, Google display ads. There's a whole bunch of different situations. You can watch the videos on the accountant website about that, and that'll make more sense. Besides search ads, we also do local Google My Business ads. And basically what this is that when someone is local within a 30-mile radius of you, we will make it so that your Google My Business will show up when someone searches, and we can do that with a paid ad. This is a very powerful tool that we use, and along with our coaching and our guidance, we're going to make sure that you are the 10-ton gorilla in your region. And there's no reason why every construction agent or construction company, startup, or any entrepreneur business owner in your area doesn't find you. Even if you're remote, even if you're doing things nationally, this is a core bread and butter that you can tap into and drive amazing leads. Then what we do is social media lead generation, and that's really about the lead funnels, the lead magnets, and we'll walk you through that. Now, there's more services that we have where we'll help you create content that ranks in SEO, and then we can serve as your outsourced accountant. But as you walk through here, just you can read through what it is that we do, some of the features that we have. This will walk you through what each section is. So we always have a clear header that clearly communicates what you do and the main problem that you help solve. And it's all meant to cut through the clutter. We go through and try to bucket up your value propositions. So this is a list of headers and explainers of the benefits you're trying to deliver when people work with you. We always try to create a guide section where it shows the 1, 2, 3s of working with you. Also, we talk a little bit about the stakes. What's the pain that you're saving them from when they choose to work with you? As you move through, we always have an explanatory kind of deeper dive SEO paragraph. And what that does is put more meat on the bones for your reader and for your website. And what we do here is we try and help you speak to some of the reasons why people might not want to work with you, right? So we want to dispel some of the objections. So things like it's too expensive, or they doubt it'll work for them, or what happens if it doesn't work for you. We do this, and I tell you what, I've done this for scores of websites. I love taking your unique value proposition and approach and locality and personality and helping digest this for you. And then what you'll see is we put a simple blog and category system together. And what you'll see out of our websites is that they convert, they really work. And I know that coupled with good behaviors over time is going to be really powerful. Now, the next thing I want to show you real quick is just the pricing, right? So pricing is important. When you come up to my website and you go to pricing and reviews, go to pricing here. What you'll see is that we really work a system. And I'm going to show you how we develop this. The first stage of everything is to talk about the scope and what you're trying to accomplish. I really craft a solution for each individual business owner. Generally speaking, our Get Started package is between $2,500 and $7,500, but generally speaking, $6,500 to $4,500 is where we put a package that gets you the website, the writing done for you. We're going to help you develop lead magnets, the search ads, the whole thing. And then after that, you can hire us for a monthly retainer to provide coaching. You get access to me to actually do one-on-one coaching. We have a new Facebook group to help you with kind of a cohort of people. And no matter what, everything that we do here, it always starts with writing and messaging, custom design, the marketing machine and the ads, and then search engine optimization. What you get from us is a full featured system. And when you come through, you'll see, generally speaking, we'll have a package of about $750 a month to $1,500 a month. And our paid ads package is usually what we do for accountants, where for $750 a month, we'll help do SEO for you. We're going to run your ads for you. We're going to keep things up to date. We serve as your web team, and we keep things all running smoothly for you. Now, when you come up here and you go to services, under web design, you'll see our process. Now, our process is pretty clear, but basically what we do is we always identify your goals and talk about the scope of work with a free consultation. Then we'll create your content, and this is the writing. We'll actually create a sitemap and show you the structuring through the whole thing. And there's a cool tool that we'll use, and I'll show you what that looks like. After that, we will design it visually, and we mock it all up in a tool called Figma. We will know exactly what your website's going to say and what it's going to look like before we develop it, and then we develop it. Once we do that, we'll test and launch everything and start tightening the screws to make sure everything's done really well. Last, we hook up the marketing machine, do the search engine optimization, and make sure that you're ready to rock. And I tell you what, if you go through, you can see we have 76 5-star reviews right now. I take pride in every single customer we've been able to help. I'd love to connect with you. Go through this page. And I tell you what, there's a bunch of videos on here, everything from how did I start my firm to each one of these little lead generation or custom website explained a little bit deeper. I'd love to connect with you. Good luck. God bless. Please book on my calendar. Again, if you just go to the upper right-hand corner, you'll see there's a schedule consultation. If you call, you'll get me. And when you schedule the consultation here, you'll be able to book on my calendar right after this. It goes right to my Calendly, which is a setup that we'll set up for you too. So good luck. God bless. We're looking forward to help you. And there's no reason why you can't build significant momentum. And here's what I just add is that the folks that we're working with, they end up adding between 1 to 8 high monthly retainer clients a month. It's usually a 4 to 5x ROI in the same month that they're working with us, because they understand how to land meetings, how to actually land monthly retainer clients and add huge value, which is the key. And that's the other thing that we'll talk about is I'm not going to teach you how to run bookkeeping. I'm not going to teach you how to process tax returns. I'm going to teach you how to be extremely valuable and convey that value to a business owner, and then how to do the marketing for you. That's what we're all about here. So good luck. God bless.